Looking for the came earlier. Did you sell your little temperature gauge? Oh, it's there. Oh, it's there.
Oh, there it is. Yes.
I was thinking, I'm wondering if you do a deal on the temperature gauge and the alarm clock for $10 for the pair.
For this clock over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah.
They're good?
Yeah, that's good.
Awesome.
That looks really good too.
Yeah, the clock works though,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
oh yes, definitely. I was using it.
I like the old
Yes, so do
vintage
I.
stuff.
I love that clock. I use it like all the time.
I do a bit of collecting and trying, and then
I'm glad you picked it up because I really do like it and it does work really good.
I've got the clock and little thermometer humidity display thing. $2. So $10 for them both. But I don't know. She said the clock works, but let's just see if it works. Let's test it. This works. I don't know how it can't work. So that's a good. That's $2. So let's see if the clock radio works. And yeah, let's plug it in. Yeah, fortunately, this looks like a elastic band that they use at Value Village. So maybe that's where she got it from and she's flipping it. But we'll see. She seemed pretty honest, didn't you? Did you think so? So there's no, let's just check there's no time set or anything in here. There's a battery compartment here. Don't know what that does. Ooh, that looks rotten in there. Oh dear. It's oh my god. Yeah, that's not good. Look at that, guys. I'll see if it works first, and then we'll pull that out. It looks like a rechargeable battery, that so it holds the time. Maybe. I never noticed that. Let's see what happens. Time. Awesome. Clock. Oh, sorry, radio. Does the radio work? Let's have a look. Oh, it's got a tone knob. So let's find radio. Where's the volume? Where's the volume? That's just tone.
I'm Sam from University of Manchester.
I don't know how to say the volume. Oh,
the first planet,
the volume's.
Star.
I saw it. Where is it? It's gone.
Since over 7,000 other planets or exoplanets.
Oh, it's there at the back. Oh no, that's dim. Where's the volume?
Friday rates for Sunday. Friday sunny 27, sunshine 28 on Saturday, and sunny 30 on Sunday. Currently sitting at 23 degrees in Uxbridge.
Volume is in the middle.
Toronto, 33 degrees. There's weather more.
And the outside is tuning. That's weird. Yeah, that's a weird feature. Turn it down. Probably have to put some, use some of this inside there. Let's see if we can pull that off. Maybe put some in there.
CA today and let the pros in the green trucks save you big bucks.
So let's have a closer look at the controls. Sorry. Let's have a closer look at the controls. So we've got display, select, AM, time, wake. That all seems to work. Clock, wake, forwards. I don't know what that is. Wake set. Let's take the music off. Nap. I know what nap is. And sleep on off. So how do we set the time? Pretty sure what I'm going to have to do here is find a manual. So I don't know how to set the time. So let's do that and then let's get back to it. So to change the time, you just go from display, time, wake, and that's the time. So for the time, it goes from there. You just use the time to change the time, obviously. So I've done it already. So we just go up and down, and there we are. That's got the time. What I need to do now is address the battery in the back, that rusty battery. Let's pull that out, clean it up, and see what we've got there. Because otherwise, maybe it is battery powered as well. You can power it with a 9-volt. Otherwise, it's in perfect condition. Okay, let's take a look inside this battery compartment. I think I can get it back out now. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now that, my friend, is a mess. What the heck? You've not even got the battery connected. Oh, it's a brand new battery. Or is it? Oh no. Not a brand new battery. Oh my god. That is terrible. That. Oh. That is well gone. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Don't know what the what does it say there? That just shows you how to connect it, doesn't it? I could put a new one of those on, or I could just clean up the battery bay. See, everything still works, but we just don't need a rusty, rotten battery in it. I can bin that, get rid of the acid on my hands, clean it up around here, and I think we're done. I think that's about it. Take the stickers off. I think once we get the inside of here cleaned up, I might just leave that. I don't think that's of any consequences having a battery stuck in there for another 50 years. I think if we just clean all the acid out of it, clean it up, and then I think that's a nice little clock radio for my bedroom. I was gonna sell them, but I've got one downstairs now, and I'll have this one in my room, so I don't have to keep looking at my my iPhone every night. I can put it to one side and not check it in the mornings. It's good just to be able to roll over and check a clock and then go back to sleep again, rather than checking iPhone and have it light up the room. Okay, till next time.